The question says the probability. Okay, question 3. A vessel contains 4 blue balls, 5 red balls, and 11 white balls. If 3 balls are drawn from the vessel at random, what is the probability that the first ball is red, the second ball is blue, and the third ball is white? First of all, let's represent this information. A vessel contains 4 blue balls, so number of blue balls and I'll call that n of b is equal to 4. Number of red balls, n of r, is equal to 5. And then you have the number of white balls, n of w, is equal to 11. Now, if 3 balls are drawn from the vessel at random, what is the probability that the first ball is red, the second ball is blue, and the third ball is white? Now, this question is quite tricky, so there's something that I would like to point your attention to, and that's the fact that the probability of picking a red ball, the probability, because they say the first ball is red, so P of red, when you pick a red ball, like you already know, is going to be the number of the red balls present in that sample divided by the total number of samples, and that brings us to NS, which gives us 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 11 is 20. So that's the number of sample, total number of balls. Alright, so P, probability of having a red ball, is going to be equal to 5 divided by 20. If you reduce this, you should have 1 over 4, right? Now, probability of picking a blue ball as the second ball. Now, note something here, that when you pick out one ball, irrespective of the color, it will no longer be 20. What you have left is 19. So we are dealing with what is left in the sample, 19, because one ball has been removed. So as at picking the blue ball, at picking the blue ball, number of the sample balls, NS, is going to be equal to 20 minus 1, which is equal to 19. Please note this information very well. So that's the reason why our N of S has reduced to 19. Now, what is the number of blue balls present? 4. So you have 4 over 19 as the probability of picking a blue ball, right? Now, let's go ahead. It now says, and the third ball is white. So the probability of picking a white ball. Upon picking a white ball, N of S is no longer 19, but it is 19 minus 1, which gives us 18 balls as our number of sample balls present upon picking the white ball. So we have it over 18. And then you have 11 as the number of white balls present in the sample. Now, for the probability that the first ball is red, the second ball is blue, and the third ball is white, that gives us that we're looking for probability of what? Red intersection blue intersection white. That's what it means. And to look for the intersection of red intersection blue intersection white is going to be the probability of what? Red dots. That is times the probability of picking the blue ball dot the probability of picking a white ball. So P of R is equal to 1 over 4 times PB is 4 over 19 times P of white is 11 all over 18. So if you multiply that, you should have 44 divided by 1368. And this is the probability of picking the first ball as red, the second ball as blue, and the third ball white. I hope you understand what we've just solved. Thank you and see you in the next class.